Welcome back to another Klutch demo. In this demo, we'll show you the backup and restore functions that come with Klutch. In previous demos, we connected our application cluster to the control plane. We provisioned a Postgres database that is running on Klutch, and we deployed an application that uses the database. You can see the application now. We would like to now take a backup of this data so that we don't lose it. Let's do that. As you can see, we have our backup definition over here, also just a Kubernetes object. As you can see, we reference the PostgreSQL instance that we provisioned, and that's all we need. Let's apply the backup now. It was created. Seems to be ready. We can now test this. Let's now simulate some data loss by just deleting this blog post. So something catastrophic happened. Now we would like the data back. And in order to do that, we are going to look at the restore. The restore also references the backup that we just created right now and the instance that we want to restore to. So it doesn't have to be the Postgres that we have, it could also be another one. Let's apply it right now. It seems to be ready. Let's try it out. Let's refresh the page. And as we can see, the data has been restored. It was that simple, and that's it.